What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to connect the OKX wallet with Hamster Kombat. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the bottom right corner where is airdrop is at, and just in the airdrop go with OKX exchange. So in the OKX exchange what you can do is to connect your OKX wallet if you have one. If you don't have one, you can press on register button and you can simply use their referral code in order to create a wallet. So if you have the wallet, all you have to do is to write the address, the name and the memo. So where you can find it, open up OKX application, go to the wallet section, and in the wallet section all you have to do is to go to the receive option. In the receive option, just click on transfer it manually. So once you are in the transfer manually option, search the hamster button. So search the hamster coin. In the hamster coin, all you have to do is to copy the address. That's it, guys.